How's everybody doing today? My name is Dominic, and I'm reporting at you live from the conference room. We're going to be having a very important business meeting today about a company named Chico's FAS. It is a women's clothing retail company based out of Fort Myers, Florida. Always remember throughout the meeting to please smash that like button and please smash that subscribe button. Remember, we are a family here. I'm learning every day, and let's learn together. Please put a comment down below what you think of these stocks, and if you got something to teach me, please put it in the comments down below. And today is the company called Chico's. I know what you're all thinking. Dominic, why are you investing in a women's clothing company? Let me tell you a story. Last summer, I found a company called Revolve. And at that time, Revolve was trading at around $10 a share. And I was thinking the same thing you're thinking. Why invest in a women's clothing company? And I didn't invest in Revolve, and that was a mistake, because after I found that company at $10, for the next year, it proceeded to run up to around $50 to $60 a share. So I would have probably made around 500% of my money. So this is my redemption shot with Chico's FAS, and you guys can go and look at that company, Revolve, and I'm not lying. I'm not one to come and tell you that I make money on every single one of my stocks that I bring you. I'm going to tell you my mistakes because we're all learning, okay? This is a family, and we're learning. We're learning together, and this is my redemption shot for missing out on that company last year. And one of the main reasons why I invested in this company is because of this CEO right here. Her name is Molly Langenstein. She joined the company in August 2019. She has 30 years in the retail industry, okay? Prior to joining Chico's FAS, she spent nearly 3 decades at Macy's, where she was promoted to numerous executive positions with increasing scope and responsibility. From 2017 to 2019, she served as a general business manager, ready-to-wear at Macy's. In that role, she led a multi-billion-dollar business and was responsible for all buying, planning, and product development for stores and digital, and leading Macy's global sourcing organization. Okay, this is a great CEO. This is one of the main reasons why I invested in this company, is because of this lady right here. She is spot on. All right, I am a shareholder of this company. All right, I bought into this company a few months ago. I was debating on selling it because I'm up around 100% of my money, and I'm not selling it because we are nowhere near done. As you can see, trades on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol CHS, and today it's at $5. It's a $5 stock for women's clothing. Okay, the company is called Chico's, but they have many different brands. Okay, they have Chico's. Here's Chico's right here. They have White House Black Market. They have a company called Suma, not Sumo Wrestling. This company sells bras and panties. And they have another company called Chico's Off the Rack. If you guys know anything about these products, please put it in the comments down below. Let our viewers know what we're working with here. Is it a good clothing store? Is it a bad clothing store? You got Chico's, you got White House Black Market, you got Suma, you got Chico's Off the Rack. Put it in the comments down below. I just know about the stock. I don't know anything about the clothes. All right. So that's what I'm going to be talking. I'm going to be talking about the stock. All right. So this company is owned by a lot of the institutions. It's owned by the big money. Okay. So here we are on the NASDAQ.com. As you can see, CHS, Institutional Holdings. Ownership summary, institutional ownership, 76%. That means that 76% of the outstanding shares are owned by the institutions. Okay, this is one of the main reasons why I invested in this company, was because of this. Okay, BlackRock. See this right here, BlackRock. BlackRock is the #1 asset manager in the entire world. Okay, and they're the #1 shareholder of this entire company. They own around 15% of this company. They own around 19 million shares. Okay, Another big name you guys want to look for in the institutional holdings is Vanguard. Okay, Vanguard has been around as long as Warren Buffett's been around. Okay, they own around 8 million shares roughly of this company. And Renaissance Technologies. This guy's name is Jim Simmons. He's a hedge fund manager. He's so good at investing. You know, he used to charge his investors around a hefty percentage, like unheard of, because he's so good at what he does. He's a master mathematician. You guys got to look into this guy. His name is Jim Simmons. He uses computer science for all of his investing. Computer science. You ever heard of that? I don't think you ever heard of that. Okay. His name is Jim Simmons, master mathematician, founder and owner and the hedge fund manager of Renaissance Technologies. Okay. And this is one of the main reasons why I invest is because of this right here. It's owned by 76%. And because of those three big names, I want you guys to write them down on a piece of paper and don't forget them. BlackRock, Vanguard, and Renaissance Technologies. Let's look at the other ones. We got Charles Schwab. We got State Street. Those are some other big names. We got Barrington. Okay, let's talk about Barrington. Okay, Barrington, they own 1.6 million shares of Chico's FAS. And what they did, they sent the board a letter. They called them out. Barrington Capital Group calls for Chico's FAS to address its sustained period of share price underperformance. This hedge fund believes that Summa, their company that sells the bras and panties, is likely worth the company's entire enterprise value, but it is being overshadowed by poor operating performance of other brands. The hedge fund believes that the new CEO's digitally led strategic plan has a lot of promise. They recommend refreshing the board, expanding financial disclosure, maximizing operating performance, and exploring strategic alternatives as initiatives to improve shareholder value. Guys, this is the type of stuff we like to see. You got one of the largest shareholders of the company is calling out for them to address their underperformance of the stock price. And always remember, if you go and look back at the chart, this company was once a penny stock. Let's go and look at the chart here. I'm going to look it up for you. Yeah, this was once a penny stock. It was at 90 cents. And this is why they say it was underperforming. Now it's at $5. All right, let's go and look at the 1 year chart. 99 cents. Today, we are sitting at $5. The highest it went was $5.75. There's a lot more room to grow, like I was saying, because I listened to the earnings call. I was there for the earnings call because I'm a shareholder. It's always important for you guys to listen to the earnings calls, just like listen to one of these meetings. You have to listen to the earnings call. If you're a long-term investor in a company, you have to listen to the earnings calls and you have to listen to the shareholder meetings. So when I listen to the earnings call, what they are doing since the pandemic, it kind of messed up a little of their stores. So what they're doing is closing down the underperforming stores. So they have a plan to close down 30 underperforming stores. On the earnings call, the CEO said they have closed down 7 so far. So we have 23 stores remaining to close down. And what they are doing for their Summa brand is they're setting up stands in their Chico's stores for their Summa brand that sells the bras and panties. They said that they're going to be having that the stands in around 50 of their stores. They had the stands only in around 7 at the time of the earnings call. And they said that they're going to be opening the rest of the stands by the end of this month. So by the end of this week, we should see some movement in the stock. You guys can make that decision for yourself, but always listen to the earnings calls. And let me tell you, this company has a lot more room to grow. If you know about their products, if you know about their bras and panties, put it in the comments down below. If you know about their clothes, if you know about whatever they got, if they sell purses, they sell shoes, I don't know what the hell they sell. put it in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Tell your friends about this channel, and let's get rich.